In this video, we are going to use a reflection package from Java to print methods or field names of a class. The code will help us find methods and fields in any class. We can list the methods, fields, and constructor of a class. I will use the method getMethods, which returns the list of the methods available for a given class. We can also use getFields method, which returns a list of field objects. I'm going to use a getConstructors method, which returns an array of constructor objects. So let's see an example of it. First, I will import Java util package, and also Java lang.reflect package, and that will be import java.lang.reflect package. And now I will move to main method and create a class object from a string class. So I'm going to print the methods and the constructor names of string class. Class, and that will be C, and class I can use for name method for name, and pass in the class method we want to look up. So I'm going to pass in java.lang.string, java.lang.string class. I need to handle exception. It can be thrown. So over here, throws class not found exception. And now I'm going to use get constructors method to get the constructors. So it will be constructor, and construct. And now I'm going to call c dot get constructors, our class get constructors. Now I have a array of constructor over here. I can loop through it. I will also print out that we are printing or listing the constructors. So we will read easily in output. List of constructors. We'll add some pound signs so we can easily see this message on console. I'll just have 4 over here and 4, the same number at the start and at the end. And now I'm just gonna use a simple for loop for and I set to 0 I is less than constructor length and then I plus plus. And now I'm going to print a system dot out dot print line and then pass in construct and its index location and then to string. So the name of the constructor will be printed. I'm just gonna save it and run this program so we can see the list of constructors. And after I execute my program, you can see the list of constructor for string class over here. And now after this, I'm going to print methods of string class. I will use get methods, which will return the list of methods for our class. And now get method and I will name it M and then I will call our class c dot get methods. And now I'm going to use another for loop. Before that, I will print some message on the console that we are printing list of methods. I will add some different sign over here, add sign. So this will be different than the list of constructors. List of methods. And now our loop, and I'm just gonna use X now. And X is less than construct the method now. So that will be M dot length and then X plus plus. Now we are going to loop through our method list and print the name of each method. So just need a system.out print line. And then M and I and then X and then to string to convert it to string. And that's it. And now I just need to run our program and we will also see the list of methods. I will comment this out so we don't need to print the name of constructor again. We are just going to loop through our method or just going to comment this all for loop. So we already printed those. Just to make it easier to read, I'm just gonna comment this one. Yeah. I should comment this one too, but I'm just gonna leave it. Yeah. And here we can see the list of methods. Seems like a long list. This way we can use reflection to print the methods, constructor, and fields of any given class. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Awesome Code. Keep supporting me and thank you for watching.